Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Frank.
Hey, Shekap.
Yeah.
What's the Homeland is doing? Homeland is doing. In fact, we are cruising nice.
Yeah.
Ya ngangishilo ngisaphinda unyaka isizini yethu singamabhakaneya siyabraya mfethu
Sure.
kuphela inyama kuphela amalahle kuphela umetsiso kuguga ama brain stand
Yeah.
wezibe mncane imlenze
Yeah.
lenkabe yamende le wadu
Yeah.
9 games baba unbeaten.
Yeah.
Who is a plumber? You understand?
Who's a Makosi,
Who
man?
is a plumber? Lama zebra lawo elisesiphelelwe inyama ngale nde uthi asabra into eyiningi sibra izebra sibra lamthuthu sibra Satawan.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay.
Ziyakhala baba ziyalila zikula speaker. Umlando ezweni.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Coach wami, coach
Yeah.
my coach.
Yeah.
Ude lokuthola ufa ludumtshengiseni.
Yeah.
Sisazopha.
Yeah.
You understand?
Why?
Yeah, iPirates yethu mfethu coming to kule game le. Yeah, this season
Sure.
sine bench eli top.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ama opponent ezidlala nawo athuswa ibench.
Sure.
Bench lethu linzima mfethu.
Heavy.
Yeah, so le league ngezwa laba bangapha ama zebra ethi bayithathila ize aye natural.
Yeah.
Nibatshele ukuthi ngiyacela abayithathe le league bayimixe natural.
Yeah.
Sizoyilanda eduze omakhelwane. Sifuna ukuyilanda eduzane. Abayithathe.
Isindla ngeBobby.
Sizoyilanda khona la kubo la. Kumnandi kule lizwe mfethu bafowethu mabhakaneya. Ngiyanicela bafowethu uma ningenawo ama brain stand thengani biltong. Kohlafunwa kule season. Ayiqini imhlathi yonqamuka amazinyo.
Yeah.
Shilo sakusaseka.
Thank you, Redman.
Thank you mfethu.